Hey everybody, Alex Bennett here from Agri Spray Drones. In this video, we are going to walk through spreader settings for your J100. All right, so we're going to enter into those settings. We're going to get into our flight screen. So we're going to hit auto. We're going to go into top right corner into our settings. So our spreader is right here below spray. All right. So what you're going to see here, so this is our main spreader settings. So we can see basically clear the spreader. So we can basically hit clear tank. It's going to open the gate all the way up, dump out any excess product that we have. So this is what starts it. This is what actually stops it. Next one down there, we have spreader RPM. So if we're manually messing with it, we're trying to fly around the field and basically empty out our tank or anything like that, we can hit max speed. So that's going to increase the RPM of the spreader. The spreader disc to max speed, minimum speed. Next one down here is going to be your actual spreader calibration. So we're going to go in here and I'm going to show you this real quick. This is kind of some test calibrations that we've been messing with. So if I want to add a template here, let's say we're spreading, I don't know, cereal rye or something like that. Ooh. Let's just say we'll put in rye. We're going to go ahead and we're going to leave this to manual. Hopefully in the future, we're going to get this auto feature work. So this is going to be like a field, an in-field flight calibration. So if we have it in auto, it'll basically keep track of its weight and calibrate those ratios as it needs. But for now, we're going to stay in manual. We're going to hit start calibration. All right. So now we're into our calibration template. Current weight, of course, this drone, I'm on a simulator right now, so there's no weight. What you're going to do is you're basically going to fill your drone all the way up with whatever you are spreading. So for this situation, it'd be rye. So I'll go ahead and put my rye in here. So there's two different catches we have to do. So we have a minimum spreading flow rate and a maximum spreading flow rate. So the cool thing about this is, especially if you're getting into smaller products, clovers, turnips, anything like that, is we can actually calibrate it by what we need the gate flow to be. So it doesn't have to be, minimum spread and complete maximum spread. It can be whatever we want. So we're going to click on start. I don't know if it's going to let us go any farther. Yeah. So anyhow, it's not going to let us go any farther. So we're going to hit start first calibration. After we get in there, it's going to show you your gate settings. So you're just going to say set your gate percentage. So your first one is always going to be your minimum spread flow rate. If you guys want to do this kind of like DJI style, so we basically take our gate all the way down, and then the next one will be actually how long it's going to collect for. On minimum flow rate, if we're running that gate all the way down, we want to basically max out our catch time. Now, if we're doing maximum, we're basically going to run out of product if we have our catch time all the way. So I recommend on this one, if we're on the lowest gate setting, max out our catch time. If we're on this one in the highest gate setting, you're going to basically reduce your catch time all the way down. I believe the minimum is 20 seconds and the maximum is 60 seconds. Really, you basically put in those things, you hit start, it's going to run, let's say at 10% gate opening for 60 seconds. It's going to know how many pounds it dropped out of there, and it's going to set that calibration factor. We're going to go ahead and refill the spreader tank again. We're going to do our maximum flow setting, and then it's going to collect that. So super easy to calibrate. All you need is basically your drone with the spreader on it, some sort of catch bucket. We use mineral tubs a lot. They're fairly large to put underneath the spreader. Make sure you guys do take off the spreader disc itself. That way it is just not hitting the spreader disc and spinning everywhere, because it will run the RPM. So take that spreader disc off. That way it dumps straight into your bucket. Run your minimum, your maximum. Like I said, you can do like the other day we did clover. I did minimum at 10%. Maybe I did my maximum at only 50% gate open, because I know I don't need to go that high. So It's pretty customized and tailored to whatever you need. Pretty cool. Super simple though. All you need is, like I said, a catch container, your drone with the spreader, and then whatever you're spreading. That's it. Tank weight calibration. So this is going to be just like your spray. So we're going to go in there. We're going to raise the tank off the scale heads. We're going to hit reset, 5-second countdown timer. We're going to drop it back down, tear it, 5-second countdown timer, and we're off and running. This drone also, just like the spray, it does have a fixed flow rate where you can set basically your spreader opening size from 20 to 100%, and you can set your RPM from 200 to 900 RPM. Same way with the spread control, just like the sprayer, we have auto, we have on, we have off. And then again, just like your sprayer controls, we have basically our mixing speed, our stirring voltage, stirring current, all that type of stuff. This spreader is very, very similar to DJI. The calibration process is a little different, but other than that, it's almost an identical spreader. So hope that helped. Thanks.